what's up? Welcome back to my channel Life Aajkal with Sanjana, and as you can guess from the title of this video, today is gonna be a Nykaa Pink Friday sale unboxing, shopping, review haul. So Nykaa is having its Pink Friday sale going on right now. The sale started from 26th of November and it's gonna end on 30th of November. So yeah, and as the sale announced, I got like super excited because there are like so many discounts, so many combo offers, slash and save offers going on. Like you have offers on I think pretty much every brand, drugstore to high-end brands, and I think this is the best time if you are eyeing some of the products from a long time. I think this is the best time to get your hands on them. I took like a full advantage of the sale and I placed like a huge order, and my order just arrived, so I just thought that I'll quickly share it with you guys. So I placed my order as soon as the sale started on 26 November at 12 am, and my order arrived in like just one day. And yeah, few of my items are still in transit, so yes, I'll unbox them when they arrive. So I'm a big time skincare and makeup hoarder, so for some of the items that I ordered in the sale are my go-to products. I love them, I just swear by them, and I have been using them since many years, and since so much discount is going on, I just thought that I should stock them up. So the items in there are new to me as well. I have never used them before, so it's like kind of a first impressions for me. And but I have read like a lot of good reviews and heard a lot about them. As you can see behind me, I have few boxes here that I'm gonna unbox in front of you. Yes, I am like super excited and to open these boxes up. Also guys, for all the products that I'm gonna share with you today, I'm gonna leave their links in the description below, so you can check them out. So yes, without any further delay, let's get into the unboxing. Now the first item that I have is this Smashbox Always On Mini Matte Duo. I think this is limited edition and this has launched especially in this Pink Friday sale. And yeah, I think I really love this combination, and I have used Driver Seat in past and I used to love it. These are like mini lipsticks and you can throw it in your bag, and yep. So let me do the swatches for you. Comes with like a very precise applicator, so that you can define and go in like an inner corner of your lips. And yeah, I mean, I just totally love these shades. So I just love nude lipsticks in general. So yeah, I'll just show you a little closely how they look. So one is like Driver Seat. It's like a coral nude shade, and the other one is Babe Alert, and this one is like a pinkish nude shade. So yeah, I just love both of these, and they go with like every occasion. So yes, like super happy with this one, and it's a limited edition, guys. So if you want to purchase them, then please go ahead. So the first item that I have in this big box are these Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner, and they have like argan oil in it. I have heard a lot about them. I have never used them before, and I keep changing my shampoos. I mean, I'm not like very fussy. That are like 400 ml each in quantity, and oh yeah, it smells also good. So guys, yeah, can't wait to try these on, and I'll definitely let you know what it does to my hair. Now the next item I have is this Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 anti-aging soothing serum, and my mom uses Olay day cream, so I just thought, and she feels that it's quite heavy, so I just thought that I'll order a serum this time. So hopefully that the serum is like lightweight compared to the cream. I think on Nykaa it has like good reviews. I think the rating was also very good, and yeah, so let's see, I hope it turns out good. The next item that I have is this Nykaa's Cheeky Blush Duo in Malibu Barbie, and it is like a coral and peach shade, and yeah, I mean, I have used it in past and I absolutely love it. Just look at the blush, the color scheme. So yes, I got this on discount. So yes, the next item that I ordered is this Nykaa's Glamorize eye pencil, like an eyeliner pencil in the shade Blue Hex 01. So yes, I just thought that I'll try some colored liner for a change.
And wow, I mean, oh my god,
I mean just look at the pigmentation, guys. It is like gliding like butter. So yeah, I mean it's like too good. I just love the the color of it. Like, I think it settles down in a while. This one is not budging. So yes, I mean this is amazing. Yeah, it feels like butter, and the application is also so amazing and like smooth. So yes, I'm definitely gonna try some new eye looks with this blue eyeliner. My next item is again this another eyeliner pencil. This is from LA Girl, and the shade is called Shockwave. Let me try this on here. Oh my god, I mean guys, can you see? This is again like what a beautiful yellow shade. So yes guys, I wanted to check if the liners and the Smashbox lipsticks are waterproof, and as you can see I'm rubbing them with soap, and yes, it didn't budge at all. I mean, I'm super impressed. Yeah, I mean, just look at them, they are still intact. And yes, I can't wait to create like so many eye looks with these, and yeah, absolutely love them. So the next item that I have is this liquid glitter eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty, and I have it in like a silver shade before, and this is in the shade Champion, and these are like very inexpensive as well, and they also have like offers going on right now on the Pink Friday sale. And yeah, just look at these. I mean, they are like so pretty, and I think it's great for like a party makeup look. Now the next item that I have is this Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal Paris, and I can't stop raving about this product, guys. I just love it. Like a beautiful applicator, and it just opens up your eyes instantly, and this is like my, I don't know, third or fourth purchase. So the next item I have, I just love it and I swear by it, and I practically wear it every day, everywhere. It's the Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick by Maybelline, and it's in the shade 70 Amazonian. And guys, I mean, I have got like so many compliments on this lipstick shade. I practically wear it everywhere, like I said, like in my office, in parties. Although I don't mind retouching my lipsticks, but you don't have to worry about reapplying it every now and then. And yeah, I think it's the perfect formula. The pigmentation is amazing, the color is amazing, actually stays on. You actually need like a makeup remover to remove these. So yeah, absolutely love this. Now the next two items I have are these hair care products, and these are from L'Oreal Professional, and this is the hair mask, and this is the Pro Keratin Liz Unlimited mask, and a Liz Unlimited Primrose Oil Serum. And I just absolutely love these products. I have been using them from I don't know how many years, and I have also used Absolute Repair in this one. And this is actually pretty much my post hair shower routine. This is the mask that I use in like 2 to 3 times in a week, and this serum is amazing. It actually prevents your hair from being frizzy, and yeah, I just love these products. So yes. Now the second last item that I have for today's video is this micellar cleansing water from Garnier. And I think it's best for removing the makeup. It contains no alcohol, no added fragrance. It completely removes my makeup, all that waterproof makeup that we put on. I think it's very important to remove it to protect your skin. So yes, I just love this product. I'm very excited for this last box because I know what's in it, and I've been waiting to buy it for like so long. So yeah, let me just open. Guess, because guys, this product I have been eyeing it from such a long time. Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette in Desert Dusk. So this palette actually retails for 5,375, and so as soon as I saw that it's on sale and it was on like 50% off, 50 or 40% off if I'm not wrong, and I got it around like 26 to 2,700, which is like so amazing.
I mean, look at it, it's so beautiful.
And I think the color scheme is like so beautiful. They have like other palettes in like a rose gold palette or like a nude palette, but I wanted a palette which has like more of warm shades. This Desert Dusk palette is perfect for that, and it has like a full mirror as well, so it's amazing. And yeah, as you can see, it has some like matte shades in warm colors. We have like coral, we have browns, and we have like some shimmer shades. We also have purple shades, which is amazing because yeah, I think purple is the color of the year. And yes, and it has some like metallic shades. So like super excited to use this one and create some amazing eye looks and share it with you guys as well. I'll do some swatches for you guys. So I'll take the shade Saffron and Blazing. Oh my god, I mean, just look at the shade, guys. You know, these shades are like matte shades, but they are like butter. And let me swatch it here. Wow. Super happy with this one. I got it on like an insanely discounted price, and yeah, I can't wait to try this on and create some amazing eye looks. And so with this, we have come to an end of this video. I really enjoyed unboxing with you guys. I mean, let me know in the comment section below which items are your favorite. I think Nykaa's Pink Friday sale is gonna end on 30th of November, so you still have time. So just go grab the opportunity and order your favorites and take the full advantage of this sale time. Also, the part 2 video of the home decor series is coming soon on my channel, so please stay tuned for that. Also, please do let me know in the comment section below what more videos you want me to do. And if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and yeah, please share it with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, bye.